Hi friends, in this video we see about the bone diseases due to deficiency of vitamin D, signs and symptoms of hypo and hypervitaminosis D, and the relationship between the COVID-19 disease and vitamin D. Bone diseases due to deficiencies of vitamin D. Rickets in children, osteomalacia in adults, osteoporosis or porous bone in old age. Rickets only occurs in children. Normally the bones are straightened, there is no bend. In the rickets bone, the bones become bent because the weakened bone cannot bear the weight of the children. So the bone becomes bent. There are two types of rickets, bow-leggedness or valgus, knock-knees or valgus. Bow-leggedness means here the bones curve outward, so the space between the two knees are more. In knock-knees, the bone curves inward, so the space between the two knees are too little or there is no space. Osteomalacia. It is the softening and weakening of the bone in an adult. Osteoporosis or porous bone. It is more common in old age. Here the bone becomes thinning and easily breakable. Many holes are present in the bone during the osteoporosis, so it is called bone. The more common fractures during the osteoporosis are hip, wrist and also the spine fractures. Signs and symptoms of deficiencies of vitamin D or hypovitaminosis D. Fatigue or tiredness, bone ache or bone pain, depression or depressed mood, impaired wound healing or incomplete wound healing, hair loss, muscle ache or muscle pain, abnormal weight gain. Signs and symptoms of vitamin D toxicity or hypervitaminosis D. When the vitamin D level is excess in our body, that is beyond the normal level, that is called vitamin D toxicity. It is dangerous to our health. The signs and symptoms due to hypervitaminosis D are nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite. It is called as anorexia in medical terms. Dehydration, constipation, fatigue or tiredness, high blood pressure or hypertension, irritability, disorientation, lack of orientation to the surroundings, dizziness or giddiness or fainting, muscle weakness, frequent urination, thirst and tinnitus. Tinnitus means the ringing sound heard in the ear. This is abnormal. COVID-19 and vitamin D. Full form to the COVID-19 is Coronavirus Disease 2019 because this COVID occurred in December 2019 in China, Wuhan city. We see the relationship between the COVID-19 and vitamin D. Vitamin D boosts our immune system and eases inflammation. It reduces the inflammation in our lungs. It has both anti-inflammatory and immunoregulatory properties. Most of the patients with COVID-19 are not having sufficient amount of vitamin D levels. Low vitamin D levels are associated with increased risk of respiratory diseases. So when the COVID-19 patients with low vitamin D levels, that is less than 20 nanogram per ml in the blood, may develop serious respiratory illness or severe acute respiratory illness. Thank you.